me share with you a very quick tip. Sometimes you have to put away like lights and GPS, you know, little things, and you didn't bring a case for it. So what I do is get my gloves out and put the GPS, turn it off, and put inside of the glove. So this way it gets protected, it doesn't scratch. Yes, I know, simple quick tips. That's why we have a quick tip section, just little things that could help you or not. Hope you like it. If you did, thumbs up. And if you want to be part of it, please sign in. Okay, see ya, bye bye.